As an artist manager, what is your advice for breaking an artist on a budget?
Chew what you can swallow. Don't try to do too much. You know what I mean? Is start baby steps. In technology, we have something called minimum viable product, where you just put just the minimum out there and then you build on that as you gain traction or as you gain resources or funding, etc. So take that approach. If you don't have a lot of money, maybe you have a lot of time, maybe you have a lot of ideas, maybe you have a lot of relationships, maybe you have a lot of material, right? Is you lean on what you have until you can tilt that balance. You know what I mean? You convert it. And also, don't be obsessed with economic capital. I just described social capital, cultural capital, maybe do stuff for other people, and you get political capital. That's like people like, hey, I'll look out for you, you look out for me. You know what I mean? There's so many types of capital. Economic capital is the one that we need in this capitalist society to operate, to function. But people convert these other types of capital into economic capital, financial capital, right? So it's like, hey, I'm building credibility. You know what I mean? I'm being present. We're going to take you to this party. We're going to introduce you to so-and-so. We're going to write this song for this artist, you know? It's called the grind. Like, you know what I mean? The problem is social media has kind of distorted our reality, where we just see the final product. We don't see the process, and we want that bit by bit, day by day, one day at a time. And by the way, you can also document your grind, your journey. Because
You're in my head. I was just thinking that.
Yeah. By the time you get to the other side, it's gonna look real. You ever see those old videos of Doechii or whatever? Like, you know what I mean? In her bedroom and talking about quitting Starbucks, 100%, one day at a time. And then also, you can't feed a baby steak. You know what I mean? You just like chew what you can swallow and then grow. And also, we chase numbers and chase virality so much that we bypass that process, that journey that we need to build the kind of muscles that make us survive once we actually get to the top. Some people don't last at the top because they didn't condition themselves to get there, right? Because so when you get there, you don't even know what to do. But if you've been grinding and you've been dreaming about this, you've been preparing this, well, when you get there, stay there. I'm not going nowhere. Like, you know how hard? I did 3 unpaid internships to get this $30,000 job. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, you're like, I'm not going nowhere. Like, you don't know what I've put into this. But when it comes like that, you think that it's you. And that's a big mistake. Oh, here, let me tell you a big mistake people make.
Yes, please.
They think it's them. It's the hubris. They start thinking it's them. They have no idea that it's actually the work. It's the relationships. It's the inspiration.